Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see what is the last non-blank value in Power BI DAX. Okay, I have a table here, so I want to print the last value in the table. Okay, so if you see here, last value is 23, right? 23. Okay, so this last value we have to print using DAX. Okay, so let's write a measure. Okay. So that is last non-blank value. Okay. And column name is, let's say, date column. Okay. And expression is sum of NOK. Sum of NOK. Not okay, right? So this expression we are taking, and the column is date column. Okay. So it should return the last value in the table. Okay. So let's check our measure. Go to visual here and take a table and put the values date, okay, not okay, right? Then let's take a card and test our measure. Click on this. So 23. Okay, guys. So it has written the last value in the table. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.